Hello, wow, hello and welcome to day 2 of the 25 days of Christmas in the Smokies. Today we are at Parrot Mountain. I'm here with my friend Chuck here, and these things are loud. Wow. So I've never been here before. I just wanted to come and check it out. A lot of y'all have asked to see this, and I see a lot of questions about it on different Facebook groups I'm a part of and whatnot. So I wanted to come check it out, and as you can see, the birds are everywhere. So let's get right to it. Let's do a little walkthrough. Well, the one thing that's cool is there's no barrier between you and the birds. They're literally right there. Look at that. Yeah, this little guy. They're so calm. I'm probably within a foot of him right now. These birds are very loud. I see I have my work cut out for me when it comes to the filming and vlogging. So, let's keep moving. All right, I didn't get it on film, and no one's going to believe me. But this bird just said hello to me. Hello. All right. Of course, I'll never get that on film. Look at this guy. They're so calm. I mean, you know, minus the ones in the background going crazy. Look at all this, look at the structure. Wow. Oh, hey. What's up, dude? Check it out. I really want one of them to talk to me. Look at that pretty tail. So just look at that view, though, y'all. Look, you got the parrot and the Smoky Mountains there in the background. That's beautiful. Look at that thing. A silvery cheeked hornbill. Looks like a friggin' dinosaur. Wow. This is a secret garden entrance. Whoa, you're in a big bird cage. Look at that. The lighting's pretty bad. Oh, look, they're just like chilling. Look at that. Wow, so there's just birds all through here. Just kind of, this is a good place to get pooped on. If it's gonna happen, it's gonna happen in here. That would be a very bad start to my day. Look at this guy. What's up, dude? He's a little. If I was a bird, I'd probably be this bird. This is pretty cool. I'm gonna get out of here though, because I don't want to get pooped on. Look at that. All right. I feel like I'm at Jurassic Park and the pterodactyl's cage. Whoa, you see that? Oh, yeah, that thing's beautiful. Oh, there he goes. Oh, there goes another one. There goes 3 of them. Oh, God. They apparently do not like me. All right, I can take the hint. So here you can feed them. It's kind of like a free-for-all. It's kind of crazy. Wow. So basically, you can get food from these machines right here, and then you get to feed the birds. And they can peck right out of your hand. Oh, he's dancing. Look at that. I would feel bad I don't have food to give you. You surely earned that. Oh, he's mad. He's like, wait. Sorry, pal. I'm all out of quarters. Well, how cool is that? How cool is that? Oh, don't fight over it. Look at that. This is cool. This is very, very cool. They give you a thing of nectar, and then the birds literally just fly up on you. Pretty crazy. I don't know if y'all saw that guy come in. Oh, this is really cool. Look at that. I'm gonna name him Chester. You like that name, Chester? Look at that. Just me and my homie Chester here. Okay, here goes Chester. How cool is that? Is that good, buddy? It's gonna be sad, because here in a minute he's gonna leave. Because there's no more nectar for him to drink.
They drunk it all already!
How cool. Well, Chester, say hello to all of our subscribers.
Hey, it just pooped on my head!
Very cool. Oh, man. Beautiful. That experience over there is something else. That's worth the whole ticket, the admission price and everything, just to get those birds to touch you. However, one child did get pooped on in there. So, you know, kind of do it at your own risk. But they give you a little cup of nectar as soon as you walk in. The birds swarm you, and they drink the nectar like a frat boy at a college party. Nice little rest area here that could use some updating, but that's okay. Really good view of the mountains in the background there. Beautiful. And then of course just kind of like a aviary or a zoo for birds. I think that's what an aviary is. Oh, I guess that was their way of saying hello. Here's some cockatoos. What's up? I know these things can talk, or maybe not. Nope. All right. And then this is the yellow-haired cockatoo, I think. as you can tell from the yellow hair, he's just like looking at his little claws there. And then, yeah, over here is a blue and gold macaw, native of Brazil. Oh. Pretty neat. No Christmas decorations, though. Still got pumpkins out. But they did have the nativity scene, so. Well, let's keep on moving. I'm not even gonna lie, I want to go give like $2 more to that lady so I can give those canaries some more of that stuff, because that was a really fun experience. Oh, look at this little guy. I don't know if you can see him because of me. There you go. Oh, he's like toying with me. Oh, look at that. What's up, dude? That's cool. What's up, dude? Well, that's so cool. There's something about picking up exotic birds and letting them just kind of walk around on your shoulder. It's really cool. So definitely recommend coming up here and checking this out. This is really something neat. The birds do bite a little bit, but it doesn't hurt. At least it didn't hurt me. Kids, it'll probably freak them out. So just be a little wary of that. But overall, great experience. I'm wondering if there's anything else or if this is it. Let's keep moving. All right, that's going to do it here at Parrot Mountain. Pretty cool experience overall. You get to hold some exotic birds. The noise level's a little bit bad. The hills are kind of bad. But overall, for the price, this is a good place to come check out, y'all. Oh, I'd especially recommend you pay that extra $2 so you can feed those little birds, because that's awesome too. The ones in the nursery that I was at, you kind of had to trust them to come to you. Some of them did, some of them didn't. So something to think about when you come here. But thank y'all for watching. Day 2 complete. Got 23 more. So on to the next. Thank y'all for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Ring that bell. Remember, once we hit to 1,000 subscribers, we're giving away a Dollywood season pass. So we really want to hit that number by New Year's. If we don't, that's cool. But anyway, thanks for watching. For now, y'all take it easy.
You're a monster, Mr. Grinch, you're a heart's an empty hole. You're a foul one, Mr. Grinch, your brain is full of spiders, you've got garlic in your soul, Mr. Grinch. I wouldn't touch you with a